bright, so I'm not sure if I'm getting this or not. Away. Yeah, so that's a long ways away. Yeah. Now notice this. That chemtrail plane just shut off the chemtrail. It's going along, a little more sky. And once they get past the point where they're told to go, they shut it off, continue. They might turn around and come back again and do it again. So that's not a normal cloud. It's a chemtrail. All of that was chemtrails. Now it's blending into clouds, morphing like this. Like that. They're just coming one after the other. And this is without a tripod. It's almost at Sackville, which is 24 miles away in a straight line from here. And I can zoom in on that plane, chemtrail plane. I'm tracking these on flight radar 24, I think it's called, or something like that. Not a condensation trail. You can barely see it, but you can see it's moving. It's almost 24 miles away, according to flight radar 24. There's another one up there. Not that one, but this one. I can see that plane. You can see the chemtrails there. I've been doing this all day, and I'm not really sure what time it is right now. I just checked the time on the camera, and it's 3 o'clock p.m. I've been watching this all day since early this morning. All of this is from those friggin' chemtrails. That is close to 24 miles away in a straight line, plus the height that it is above the ground. Got to get that sun behind the tree in order to be able to even see anything. But look at this. And people just say we're nuts, we're crazy. And yet they won't look at it. They won't do any research. People just sit and take it all in, and breathe it all in. Didn't even have a chance to go inside and check radar, and there's another one. I've been doing this at least for 3 hours after I got back home for lunch from a walk. They were doing it then too, of course, in the morning before that. Notice the end of this trail on the left is not dissipating. They've turned that on. Now they're going to keep flying until they pass the sun. They turn these things on and off too, so people think that they're condensation trails. And if they leave a trail that you can't see very much unless you can zoom in on it, then you can see that trail. Still there. Now that's going to keep flying. It's going to come up over here. It's going to go across the sky here. And the sun is right there. And they just keep going. Let's see if I can still see him. Oops. No, I can't see him. He's got to be in that white now. No, he's not. Well, I think that's a different one up here. I think he continued on from here to the right. This is another one here. But yeah, he went up in the trees already, the other one. And this one, watch the trail. It doesn't dissipate like a condensation trail does. Again, that's not a condensation trail. Once they get past the sun, once they get past where the sun will be, they turn it off. And I've watched them fly away with no condensation trail or chemtrail. They can just turn it off. Whatever capabilities they have is more than what we have knowledge of right now. There's another one. And again, those are in a straight line 24 miles, approximately 24 miles away. Even though I can zoom in on the plane, it's a P1000, Nikon P1000. While I was putting things on my computer, I wasn't paying attention to the time. I'm looking at the radar. There's another one that's gone by while I was in there. And these, white on white, are very hard to see. Oh, that sun is very, very bright. They're not blocking the sun. They are whiting out the sky, so the sun will make things hotter, which they've already done. I had the worst sunburn I've ever had in my entire 72 years because of this stuff, heating it up. I walk almost every day, all year long, and I tan in the spring, and I'm fine. This year I did all that, and as much of a tan as I have, it burnt me to blisters. Do your own research. The last thing I want you to do is to know what's really going on, so you can teach your children